In the early 1800s, French magician Robert Houdin popularized an iconic illusion called the light and heavy chest. The demonstration was remarkable. It was the power to restore and remove the spectator's sense of strength and power on your command. TNT, the Tear No Tear deck, is an all-new, ultra-portable, ultra-practical take on this legendary concept. This is so much more than a trick. It's a unique and unforgettable experience that blends mind control, psychology, and impossible magic. Here's what happens. Your participant chooses any card, and then you ask them to simply tear it in half. They'll try, but no matter how hard they pull, the card remains intact. In the same moment, you take back the card and tear it effortlessly. You can even repeat the effect with the torn pieces. No matter how hard they try, they won't be able to rip the card. You're in complete control, being able to turn on and off the spectator's strength with the same card. There are no switches. You'll receive 52 undetectable gimmicks that seamlessly match our traditional Red Monarch deck. You'll also receive a regular Monarch deck that pairs perfectly. TNT is as simple as it is powerful, requiring no sleight of hand, just your imagination and willingness to amaze. Perform anytime, anywhere, and leave your audience questioning their own reality. You're gonna tear it right in half, all four of them together.
All four?
All
Don't
four.
make me weak, bro.
Oh!
Hey, what's going on though? You taking my strength, giving it back? What's going on?
My name is Worm, and I invite you to take control of your spectator's mind with TNT by Nicholas Lawrence. Go ahead.
And tear it up?
Yeah.
Oh!